Did you know that a simple spice found in most kitchens could hold the key to a healthier brain? Turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice derived from the root of the curcuma longa plant, has been a cornerstone of traditional medicine for centuries. Beyond its culinary uses, turmeric boasts a wealth of health benefits, particularly for the brain. This unassuming spice contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which possesses remarkable neuroprotective properties. Curcumin is what gives turmeric its distinctive color and is responsible for many of its therapeutic effects. In this essay, we'll delve into the remarkable ways turmeric can enhance brain health, from bolstering cognitive function to potentially reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Curcumin acts as a potent antioxidant, effectively neutralizing harmful free radicals that can damage brain cells. Free radicals are unstable molecules produced during normal metabolic processes and exposure to environmental toxins. They can wreak havoc on cells, leading to oxidative stress, a key contributor to aging and various diseases, including those affecting the brain. But curcumin's benefits extend far beyond its antioxidant prowess. It also exhibits remarkable anti-inflammatory properties, effectively combating inflammation throughout the body, including the brain. Chronic inflammation is increasingly recognized as a major culprit in many chronic diseases, including neurodegenerative disorders. By mitigating inflammation, curcumin helps create a healthier environment for brain cells to thrive. Chronic stress takes a toll on both our physical and mental well-being, and the brain is particularly vulnerable to its effects. Prolonged exposure to stress hormones can disrupt brain function, impair memory, and even contribute to mood disorders like anxiety and depression. Remarkably, curcumin has been shown to modulate the body's stress response system, helping to mitigate the damaging effects of chronic stress on the brain. Furthermore, curcumin plays a role in regulating blood sugar levels and improving insulin sensitivity. This is significant because insulin resistance, a hallmark of type 2 diabetes, has been linked to an increased risk of cognitive decline and Alzheimer's disease. By promoting healthy blood sugar control, turmeric indirectly supports brain health and may help reduce the risk of these debilitating conditions. Alzheimer's disease, a devastating neurodegenerative disorder, is characterized by the accumulation of amyloid plaques and tau tangles in the brain, leading to progressive cognitive decline and memory loss. While there is no known cure for Alzheimer's, research suggests that curcumin may offer a glimmer of hope. Studies have shown that curcumin can cross the blood-brain barrier, a protective shield that prevents many substances from reaching the brain. Once in the brain, curcumin appears to inhibit the formation of amyloid plaques and may even help break down existing ones. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties may protect brain cells from the damage associated with Alzheimer's disease. While more research is needed to fully understand curcumin's potential in preventing or treating Alzheimer's, these findings offer promising avenues for future exploration.